Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. What's good? So, we got some packages in today. So, starters, got some drip from Maperformance, and then we got a big box over here. So, unfortunately, it's not time to install this yet. So, as you can tell by the title, I'm just gonna do an unboxing and a bit of a review here. So it came with a vibrant gasket and some bolts. That kind of surprises me. It's nice to know that they actually use good vibrant parts and not just some cheap crappy hardware. So you got a V-band clamp, nice little 3-inch clamp. Looks pretty good, pretty standard, typical clamp. Lots of packing. Nice. Pretty heavy. So there's the rear section of our downpipe. Nice V-band flange. Good looking welds. It's got the flex pipe. Nice 3-inch. Got a bracket here. Super cool looking welds and everything on this. And I really like this pipe. I chose it because the welds aren't like, but not really the welds, the finishing stuff on it. It's just normal, natural, smooth cut mandrel bent pipe, where some of the others get a little weird. I'm not big on like super polished piping. I think it looks cheap most of the time, and you're probably not going to see that much of it. Still, just And here's the part where we get sound and power. Well, we get sound and power from the whole thing, obviously, but front part of the pipe, it's got the bell mouth. This is probably like 4-inch, and transitions, a nice little O2 bung, cool little MAP stamp in there. So this is probably either for the ground, I would assume. We got another bung, which the cat on this is post O2. Yeah, there's our cat. So pretty awesome looking setup. Definitely recommend. It looks great. Just kind of running through the box here real quick, and looks like we got nothing else in it. So I know this video is a little bit short, but just wanted to do a bit of an unboxing, get some videos out for you guys, just to kind of let you know what is to come later on in the future. Gonna make a phone call later. I got some parts coming for the EM1 that should be here today, and hopefully content starts picking up soon. So stay tuned if you want to see when this gets installed. So like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching.